My scenario is about the flows. And then, like, the end, after the flows, as we know that it's going to be from everything is down to the water. At first, in organ researching and then analyze the bubble trees we have done last week. And then it was caused by human, caused by nature. And then flood was caused by nature. But actually you can see that one is connected with caused by human. So floods is not just happen itself, it's like climate change by global warming by human, and then it's all connected to some other things. So this one is like connecting interrelationship with the other threats. And then basically I look into the global warming and then flooding, climate change that's caused the floods, and then finally we go to the ground water stage. And look at that one, statistics, and then it says 40% of natural disasters is floods. You can see that one down, or that is the blue one is floods. You can see the cyclone and earthquake over there, but this flood is dramatically increasing after 1995. And then it goes when people die as well. And you can see other side. This one is it's very hard to see that one. And most flows in like China, in America, Canada, in Africa, and actually the Australia doesn't really high percentage of the flows in occurs in Australia. So I can show. And then flows by ice melting as well, not just water, rainy water. And nowadays, climate global warming caused the melting water in the ice in the North Pole. And then the statistics say that 50% of the ice is reduced thinner than last 6 years. And if we think about this melting ore, then the sea level is going to be 61 meters. Most of the things are under the water, so it's becoming more water. And then global warming not caused only melting the ice on the pole, as well as the climate change. The climate change is increasing the temperature in the middle of the sea, and then the evaporation, more evaporation is coming, and more change the atmosphere's movement. It makes like typhoon. So you can see down over the pictures, something like that. There is a huge one is becoming maybe. And then not just one, if you imagine like 3 or 4 or 10 or 20 in that situation because of the global warming and change the climate, then it goes hit underneath like London gonna be under the water. And so from world, also as well as the global warming, and then the flaws caused by human activities, like if you destroy forest, and then they're gonna not, the land is not enough strength for holding the water, so it's gonna flood it as well. And people just destroy the mountain and the forest, and then it makes flood bigger, and then the effects are gonna be bigger. So it's a lot of water, and then most of the people die. If you can see that it's like the water, the sea level is going higher, and then you can see hardly the land is occupied by human. And most of people die by the water, drowned, and then killed. And then after that, even though start to increasing the levels, people doesn't have any land for living and land for food, so they gonna die for starving as well. And also water has a lot of water bring a lot of disease as well, something like that disease. So it's gonna be like, can be like males one, the virus or disease infections, and then people die by that as well, not only the drowning. So now we're thinking about how many people we can survive and how many are gonna be fit, and then future forms like can be possible for this city. That's all.
You've got another minute and a half if you want to talk about anything specific.
Yeah, no, the ice is melting, but it's not 61 meters. Not going to be happen like very quickly. But even though somebody,
So is that 61 just from the Antarctic ice?
yeah, because 90% of water from ice is from the Antarctic.
Okay, so the rest of the ice is pretty
ice
negligible.
all melting is on the.
Like 62 or something.
Yeah, it's too much. But not only that one, it's going to be raining as well, so it can be possible for all.
So where does 61 meters take us to?
From sea level.
Yeah, so where does that come to? Are we 61 meters above now?
Above that, yeah.
No, but like where is 61 meters? What level are we at now? Are we like, how far off sea level are we?
In
10. We're 3 floors up, aren't we? So
we
So-
are in inland. It depends on where you stay, like Himalayas.
it'd be interesting to take a contour map of Sydney and just draw around the 61 meter contour.
The whole harbour foreshore would be
Yeah.